Hey all, hope you are good. Welcome to my channel Sri World of Coding. Today I'm going to show the awesome use of Pywhatkit library. So let's see various features of Pywhatkit library. It is used to play a video in YouTube depending upon the topic or the parameter path. It takes the topic and as well as the URL that you want to search on YouTube. So let's run this. It will play a random video depending upon the nearest search what you have entered. Okay, now let's comment this out. Check another feature. It is used to search. Dot search is used to search and perform a search in your default browser. Okay, dot info returns the nearest search result in the terminal itself. Dot image to ASCII is used to convert the image to the ASCII format. So I have passed the image. It will convert your image into the ASCII format. And this is another functionality. What it will do, it will convert your handwritten your text into an handwritten text. It can even be used to send WhatsApp messages as well as an attachment. Hope you like this video.